Hello dear students of BA B.Ed 6th semester. Today I am going to take up questions on my son's story, and as you would all agree, the most important question here is the theme question. So we are now going to take a look at the main theme of my son's story, which is also a major issue, and intertwined with this main theme are different sub-themes also, which are the Sonny and Hannah relationship, family and marriage, and of course a very important aspect is the father-son relationship, which is the relationship between Bill and his father Sonny. Now let us take a look at the main theme, which is the fight against apartheid, the political commitment to the cause of freedom for the Africans, and of course there is the thrust on the racial divide which persists in South Africa. The story as it unfolds, if we do not follow the chronology the way the novel opens, and as you have noticed there's really no chronology in the novel, but let us keep a storyline here from our own side, and we can start with the role of Sonny because he is the major political activist in the story. And what makes him an activist? We have to start from that point. And we also have to see that how even when the son is reflecting on his father and what his father is, we find that we see the segregation. We know that when he takes a look at the past, that they were living in areas which were segregated. So this is the aspect of apartheid, and how in the minds of the blacks there is a resistance against this apartheid of the white regime. Now coming back to Sonny, we see that he is a very committed person, and he is committed initially to education as a school teacher, and how there are the turn of events. So when you are preparing your answer, you can focus on the situations in the story which show the activism in the school itself, how the agitation of the real black school children influences the colored school children, and how there is an attempt to create a solidarity between the children of this school and the other school, and that is where Sonny initially wants to establish the solidarity when he's classifying the student. At that juncture, he's not in the role of a political activist, but later, as situations become worse, when the students burn a bus, that is where, when he goes to the police station and when he's dismissed from his job because of that he's noticed by the resistance movement, and they want his services. They have noticed that he is a very good orator, and they want to make use of his ability as a writer and an orator. Writer in the sense that he writes very good speeches, and when he speaks, when he delivers as an orator, he is able to influence the people, stir them for agitation. So there is the starting point of the commitment to the political cause of freedom of the Africans. So we have to take this part of the story, and if you want, you can quote certain lines from this part, and then we move further. As the story progresses, how he moves into the white suburb, how there are meetings in his house, people are coming to his house, and then finally when he is detained, he is in the prison. So this is what is happening to the people who are taking up roles as political activists, and he has got a very important executive position in the resistance movement. How they are coming to for his defense, and there is the involvement of the human rights organization. That is where Hannah comes. So that was also the reality of South Africa, which is depicted by Godimer in the novel through this fiction, that is the imaginary story, which is definitely connected with the reality outside. So we will dwell a lot on the role of Sonny as an activist and how the story moves ahead. then his trial, then he's sentenced and to jail, and how he spends 2 years there, how he learns the code language, how he learns how they have to face the interrogation, everything which is part of the movement, how they are gradually preparing him, using him, how he's delivering the speech. Then once he comes out, when he's released, then how when we go to the graveyard ceremony scene, then how he delivers the speech. So there are many places when he is to work for that cause. Then we should focus on the turning point in the life of his wife and his daughter. How his daughter also plays the role of an activist, how she joins the revolutionary group, how she moves out of the country. And later when her mother goes to meet her daughter, initially to attend to her condition when she has to deliver a baby, later when the baby has to be looked after. It is here when we get to know that baby also is involving her mother in the revolutionary movement. So what is the contribution of the women characters in this story when it comes to political activism? This is also what you need to consider, and how you have to see that with the sub-themes interwoven, how this is really disturbing the family life, the peace of the family life. But later we will realize that it is not the main theme which is responsible for the dismantling of the family. It is the illicit love relationship between Sonny and Hannah. And that becomes so strong that at a point of time, his commitment to his love is more than the commitment to the cause for political freedom. So at a point in the story, the sub-theme of the love relationship between Sonny and Hannah gains a lot of importance, which is at the cost of the family and which is also at the cost of the movement, and how even the police is noticing his relation with Hannah, and even their organization has noticed, and they are not appreciating that. And gradually he is, not assigned such important roles. But we realize that baby is gaining more importance as a revolutionary, though she is not living there in South Africa. She has moved out to Lusaka, but it is then she who plays a very important role. Because of her mother becomes an activist, and her mother gains more importance even than Sonny. And because she's an innocent woman, she's working with this doctor, so nobody can suspect that she too could be part of such underground activities. And it is she who sees that people are hiding explosive grenades. So again, that is connected with the cause for political cause for freedom. So you can move the emphasis from Sonny to Ayla later in the story when it comes to the fight against apartheid. Then the last part of the story, where the white, because they are living in the white suburb, when Ayla is her trial, you can refer to, and how then she jumps the bail and leaves the country, and then what happens to Will and Sonny. You can also talk about that, and how the mother tries to keep Will out, but at the same time she had told him that his graduation in commerce would be useful for the organization, for the resistance movement, because they need educated people, they need people for economic war also, not just the underground activities. Okay, so you can refer to that part also. And then a very important scene is when their house is burnt, and the reaction of Sonny. How he says that they can burn the house, but they cannot destroy them, and the nation is theirs and they cannot take back their nation. So these are the places where you can emphasize on the main theme, and you can also talk about the sub-themes which are interwoven and connected with the main theme. And ultimately, when we reach the end of the novel and when we are looking at Will's role, that he is reflecting on everything that is happening, not just his relationship with his father, but what is happening with his mother, and how he realizes that both his mother, father, sister, all the three have contributed in this political activism, and somewhere it is influencing his mind. and he is planning to become a writer. His future is not very clear, but maybe he too may join like them. And as a writer, he can be the voice of the freedom movement. So this is how I'm sure you can handle the theme, and the main theme, which is of course the fight against apartheid and commitment to the political cause of freedom. And you can, and I think you should also refer to the sub-themes which I had already highlighted. That is the love affair between Sonny and Hannah, the relationship between Bill and Sonny, because we realize that Sonny is the person who suffers. We realize that though Sonny suffers, but it is Will who suffers the most, because his relation with his father to start with was problematic. Then not so much with his sister, but later, his relation with his mother Ayla too is disturbed. And as we reach the end of the novel, he's thinking, he's reflecting. Of course, he's confident that he's going to be a writer, but maybe he too may become a political activist. We never know. So I'm sure now you would be able to handle this answer. Thank you.